Work with me a little bit. Just ask him to talk to you.
I don't think he wants to hurt you.
I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. No? Okay. Alright. Well, I've asked you, and I'm telling you, we're gonna go there, okay? Yeah, we are. You can do that all you want. No, I'm not. We don't want to hurt you. We just want you to walk with us, okay? Just walk with me. I got him. Come here. Look at me. No, don't bite. Nope. Lyle, just relax. I got it. Take the cuff.
You don't even know that we're drumming.
Here, you got it. You got it. Yep.
Ow! Stop! Stop! Stop!
You're just making this worse. Just relax. Just relax.
Stop. Stop! You gotta stop.
Look at me.
Ow, you're choking me!
Look at me. Just walk. You can walk. You can walk. You can walk. Let's walk.
Ow, then stop!
Let's walk.
Then don't touch me!
Just walk with us. Just walk with us.
You!
You need to stop.
Just walk with us. Just walk with us.
I'm trying to get my shoe back on!
You're trying to get what?
Get my shoe!
Okay.
We'll take our time. Don't worry about it.
Hey, stop!
Knock it off. You need to calm down.
I said no!
I'm not asking you anymore. I'm telling you what we're doing. Do you understand?
No!
Do you understand?
Ow!
Do you
Stop!
understand?
Stop!
Then sit down.
Ow! Stop! Stop! It's okay! Ow! Ow! Ow!